see me, okay? Okay. Total. Now also you can't see me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See, some connectivity issues are there. That is why you can't see now.
Okay, now we can see, ma'am.
Now we can see. But then also some problems
now-
are. No.
Check, ma'am.
Stuck.
Okay, 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 start. Okay. It will take time, some time. Okay.
Okay.
Up to that, okay. I just introduced in the last class about our chapter, science chapter.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you check that notes and all? What it is
Yes.
written?
Yes.
What it is?
Yes,
what
ma'am.
Yes.
Just explain. I just explained it. Okay. Is the video, my video and audio is audible, and can you see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But where is check?
Very disturbed.
No,
Disturbance is
check.
there?
No, check.
Some disturbances are there. Okay. So I think now it will be okay.
Okay.
For this, okay. So good afternoon, dear children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, see, now is if each and everybody is going to wish the teacher, it will take a long time for the to complete that greetings, right? So just mute your audio. Okay, just mute your audio and listen to the audio. Then, if you have any doubt, you can unmute the speaker and can talk. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
I think now you are familiar with these technologies.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
slowly you will learning. In the last class, just I introduced the muscles. Mute your audio. Everybody, mute your audio. Mute your audio. Everybody. Okay. See, otherwise, no, you can't hear my voice. What all I am teaching, what all I am sharing with you, you can't hear it. There's other sounds also are there. So mute your speaker. Whenever I call some names, or whenever if you want to talk to me to clear your doubts, you can unmute your speaker, then can talk, then again you can mute it. That will be good for our class. So here in the last class, let me ask this one, Prayag. Prayag, can you hear me? Prayag, can you hear me? Unmute. Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. So I introduced this one topic in the last class, right?
Yes.
What was it about?
Muscles.
Okay. So, shall I ask one question? Do you have muscles?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. You are sure about it? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. All over your body, do the muscles are present? All over your
Yes.
body, do the muscles are present? Good. So now mute it. Mute yourself. Yeah, Prayag did it very well. He unmuted his audio when I asked the question. He clearly answered my question. Whether it is correct or wrong, then you have to you have to do like this. Okay. Then again, after saying the answer, if teacher asked stop the questions and all, you can mute it. So, in the last class, we just introduced the topic muscles. Can I ask Pranav or Prasad, can you hear me and can you see me?
I can hear me.
Okay. So, Pranav, just unmute your speaker. Unmute your speaker, Pranav. Okay, okay. Can you hear me, Pranav? Pranav, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay. So I want to ask a question. What are muscles? What are muscles?
Muscles are
Ah,
and spongy materials.
okay. Okay. Soft and spongy materials present all over our body. Good. Pranav, good. Joel, Joel. Okay. I am going to ask another question. Soft and spongy material present all over our body is called dash.
Muscles.
Muscles. Okay. Joel, I think you have to, your camera position, you have to make it proper. Okay. Camera position. Okay. Now I think, okay. So this muscle, so I'm going to write the definition. I will share a screen. Then only you can, those who were not present on that, they can understand the concept. Okay. So can I share the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1 minute. This okay. It is not the thing that what I want to show you. I will show you something different. Okay. Wait 1 minute. Okay, can you see a board, easy board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
through this software, I can
Yes, ma'am.
write it on for you. So, last class we understood what are muscles. This class, okay, muscles, muscles are soft and, sorry, 1 minute, one small error is there. Okay, then 1 minute, okay. Dark color, right? Soft and spongy materials.
All over our body.
Materials present all over our body. Very good. All over our body. Okay, this is what we learn. Today we can revise this. So
Okay,
you all are agreeing that in your body muscles are present.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
now I will show another thing. Okay. Image. One minute. Okay. Okay. See, I am going to, in between, some are joining. Okay, some more are. Okay, on your screen, can you see a picture now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
A human being.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in this picture, can you see muscles of his
Yes.
body?
Yes, ma'am.
On his
Yes.
upper
Yes, ma'am.
arms. Yeah, when I am sharing the screen, is my audio is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear
Yes, ma'am.
properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear
Yes, ma'am.
properly, clearly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, on the upper arms, on the legs, all over his body, you can see muscles. Understood? You can see muscles. So, in all over our body, these muscles are present. So, we can call all the muscles present, in our body.
Muscular
Together.
system.
Yeah, very good. Okay, muscular system. Let me take muscular system. Is my handwriting, can you see it clearly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Spellings all are clear to you?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All the muscles in our body
we
together
need to
form
write.
the muscular system. All the muscular system. 1 minute. For writing, I will write it and give. Okay. Just see. So, in this picture, all the muscles of this body together forms muscular system. In our body also, in different parts, muscles are present. These all muscles in our body together form the muscular system. So, let me, 1 minute, I have to select it. Okay. Muscular system. Let me keep it here. Okay, otherwise I will keep it here. Okay, so I'm going to, you told me, no? Whether you want to write it or not. I will write the definition of this. Okay, all the muscles.
Ma'am, can we write?
After when I finish this writing, 1 or 2 times I will read the definition. After that, I will give time for you to write. Okay? All the muscles in our body. All the muscles in our body together form the muscular system.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, who is asking that? Ask me. Yes, you can ask. Yes. 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 Who wants it? Okay. So, muscular system. All the muscles in our body together form the muscular system. This is the definition of muscular system. Like digestive system, excretory system, you learned last year. This year, all the muscles in our body. Oh, yes. Who is asking this? Yes.
My name is. We want to study tomorrow.
Why you are asking like so? No, just I am teaching it, no? Okay, I will give time for writing while revising. After that, you listen. First, you have to listen and to understand. Okay, right. I will give time for writing, and I will be sending the notes also. Hmm? All the muscles in our body together form the muscular system. Okay, Sreshta, can you hear me? Can you read this for one time? Can you read this? Mute your mute your audio fast. Okay, read it.
The muscles
Ah,
in our
loud.
body
Ah,
together from
ah,
the
ah.
muscular system.
Muscular system. Good. Okay. Next time, mute your audio. Next time, when you read, you have to use some more. You have to raise your voice. Okay. Joel, can you read it one more time? Joel, can you read it? Once again, you click on the speaker button. Now you muted. Speaker button. Click it. Okay. Otherwise, who can read it? Those who can read, unmute yourself.
I can read.
Okay. Who it is?
Fida, ma'am.
Fida. Read Fida. Read it for
All
others.
the
Okay.
all the muscles in our body together form the muscular system.
Together form the muscular system.
Muscular system.
Okay. So I think I think you understood what is muscular system. It is very simple.
Yes, ma'am.
All these muscles in the last years in the digestive system, mouth, stomach, intestine, small intestine, liver, these all we together that organs helps for digestion. So we call those all organs together as digestive system. Understood. The same way, the muscles are all over our body. These all muscles together, we can call it as muscular system. Understood? This much you understood? Okay. And now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So when you are seeing, you can see that all the muscles on your body are looking same, similar type of muscles. But still then, there is a difference in their functions. Okay, still there is a difference in their function. Function means in their work. In the digestive system, when you learned in the last year, is the function of the mouth and the stomach are same? Can anybody say? The function of the mouth and the stomach are the same?
No.
No. Mouth is crushing down the food particles. Then stomach.
Food pipe.
Okay. Food pipe is a connecting pipe that connects mouth and the stomach. Stomach's function is different from the mouth's function. Similarly, in our body, in the muscular system, there are different types of muscles. So, we can classify the muscles into three. We can classify the muscles into three. How many types we can classify?
Three.
Three. We can classify the muscles into three types. So, if we are classifying something, there should be a reason why we are classifying it into three, why we are grouping it into three. There should be a reason, right?
Yes.
Why all the students in a school are grouped in fifth standard, sixth standard, seventh standard like this? Why all are not admitted to same class? Can you give me a reason?
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, sure. Sure. Why?
Because in fifth standard, if sixth standard study, the sixth standard studies will be in fifth, or it will be so difficult for class 5 to
Yeah,
study sixth one?
because so the main point is the difference in the age. Fifth standard student,
Yes.
sixth standard students, or fourth standard student, their ages are different. Age is different. When the age is different, there the understanding capacity also will become different. Understood now?
Yes.
So that is why according to your birth date, we are classifying, we are admitting students in different classes. Same way, muscles. Muscles are all over our body. According to the place where the muscles are, muscles can be classified into 3. So what is the basis of classification of muscles? What is the basis of classification of muscles? According to the place. According to the place where we can see them. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
According to the place where we can see the muscles. Krishna, Emmanuel, Abhishek. Are you hearing? Are you on? Why you switch off the video? Switch on it. Pooja, switch on the video. Anandan Raj. Okay. Okay. So, according to the place where the muscles we can see, accordingly we can classify the muscles into 3 parts. 3 different groups. Understood?
Yes.
Now I am going to see 2 more people are waiting. Faris, Siana, okay. So now I want to write it on the board. Okay? Okay. Muscles. Muscles we can classify, we can group into 3. Okay. First one is skeletal. First one is skeletal. Skeletal. Last year you learned in the skeletal structure, skeletal system. Understood? Skeletal system. You learned.
Skeleton system.
Skeletal. S-K-E-L-E-T-A-L. Skeletal. Okay? Skeletal. Next one. Smooth. Smooth muscle. I am not writing muscle because muscle already it is there. Okay. So first one, skeletal muscle. Second one, smooth muscle. Third one, heart. Or another name is there, cardiac. Cardiac arrest. Likewise, you heard,
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
If somebody somebody was taken to hospital by heart attack, likewise also we will use. So actually something related to heart, we can tell it as cardiac.
Ma'am, means important?
Sorry?
Means important?
It is important. Yes, it is important. Okay.
Okay.
So for this muscle, there are 2 names, heart or cardiac. Heart muscles or cardiac muscles. Understood?
Yes.
So muscles are of 3 types: skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, heart or cardiac muscle. Okay. So I will today we will learn about this classification. Now I will show you another picture. Okay. Another one. Before showing a picture, I want to ask one question. Why we, based on which thing we are classifying the muscles? Based on which we classify the muscles? Who can answer it? Adviga, his speaker is already on. Based on which we are classifying the muscles, Adviga. Say it loud. Loud. Amin. Yeah. Based on which we are classifying the muscles?
Place.
Place. Very good. Okay. Place. Based on the place where we can see them, we can classify the muscles into 3. Okay. Okay. So now Adviga, can you tell me why you are switching off the videos? In between, why you are switching off?
I did not switch it off.
Okay. Don't just listen. Now, Joel is there. Any other one? Let me. Emmanuel. Okay. So, can you name any one type of muscle? Any one type of muscle? Emmanuel,
Ma'am.
any one type of muscle?
I can.
Who is saying some others are saying the answer? Krishna, can you say the answer? Krishna. Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Any one type of muscle? Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Any one type of muscle? Okay. Skeletal muscles are there, heart muscles are there. Then another one, smooth muscles.
Smooth muscle.
Smooth muscles. Okay. So today, let me revise this. Today, let me revise it. What all you learn in this. Hridan now also is joining. Okay. Let me see. Okay. I want to revise it today.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Are you ready for revising?
Yes.
Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
today we learned about muscles.
Ma'am.
Today we learned
Ma'am.
about.
We need to write, ma'am.
Now you can write. Muscles are.
Muscles are.
All write it down. You already write. You have that. Those.
Yes.
If you have it, no need to write. Just listen. Okay. Muscles are soft and spongy material present all over our body. Okay. Mute your speaker. Next one. We learned about muscular system. Next one, we learned about muscular system.
Muscular
All the
system.
muscles in our body together form the muscular system. All the muscles in our body together form the muscular system. I think.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yesterday you sent a photo in the mosque, and there was this muscular system. All the muscles.
Okay. So you understood now. And next thing what we learned today.
Together of form
Together, who is reading that? Together form the muscle. You want it? Okay. Do you want that? Okay. Okay. If anybody wants to write it, write down. Okay.
Ma'am, that last one smooth and that.
Okay. Very good. Okay, next one. Then muscles. Okay, this one, right? Muscles
Yeah.
are of 3 types. Skeletal muscle, smooth muscle,
Smooth
heart
muscle.
or cardiac muscle. Both
Yeah,
2 names are
first
there for
one.
the third one. Okay. 3
Okay,
names.
ma'am.
You should write 2, ma'am.
Yeah. Both the names we are using for this. Okay. In the next class, I will explain these all muscles, their function. That's all. Okay. Up to that, you get ready with this points.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you understood today's?
Yes.
Okay. Today's all things, and those who have
Yes,
want to talk, okay, want to write down, they can. Those who finished the noting down this one, you can leave the class. Time over, right? Our time. Thank you for your cooperation, and for the next class, you have to revise it and to come. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
I'm going to end the class, okay?